Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to SEO optimize a page using hidden tags in Hostinger website builder. First, my page was showing or using only an H1 tag, and after editing using this online checker tool, I started using H1, H2, and H3 HTML tags. I will also show you how to generate keyword ideas using this tool. And without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to SEO optimize a page using hidden tags in Hostinger website builder. First, let's to understand what is a hidden tag. A hidden tag are those big titles using H1, H2, H3, and so on. So first, let's analyze this page. Let's show you how to analyze the current headings on a page to know what to optimize later. So to check the current page headings, I recommend you use this tool from SEO review tools, HTML heading checker. So how to land on this page? It's simple. Just write SEO review tools and then add HTML headings checker, and you will see it first in Google search results. Click on it and you will land on this page. So first, let's pass this, let's copy the page URL and paste it here. Click on perform check and wait a moment. And here you will see, as you see, the H1 is found on this page, so this is good, but the H2 and or the H3 are missing. To fully know what headings are used, the H1, I have one H1, 0 H2 heading or title, 6 H3 heading, and 0 H3. The headings that you should focus on are the H1, 2, and 3. So now to edit this page, first I will go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now next to the same website that you want to optimize the headings on, click on edit website. And then click on the page from here and you will land on your page. Now let's okay, how to edit a heading? It's simple. Just select the title that you want to turn to heading like this, and here in style click on it and you will see heading 1 to 6. Use one of them, for example heading 2, heading 3. As you see, as I go up, the heading or the title gets smaller. This is not an issue. Let's return this to H1. Okay, how to know which keywords to optimize for? I will use this tool called Ubersuggest. So I will, since my business is HVAC in NYC, I will search for HVAC NYC in the US to get keywords ideas. AC unit is NYC, so I will copy this keyword like this, add it to this list. HVAC Brooklyn NYC, Buffalo air conditioner, AC installation, copy, paste here. HVAC companies in Queens, HVAC service NYC, HVAC Albany NYC, HVAC training NYC free, AC hotel NYC downtown. Okay, let's say that I want to target those keywords. Okay, I will go back to here and I will ask ChatGPT, help me optimize my services page heading tags for these keywords. Okay, this is the H1. Let's copy it. Then I will put it here. Let's turn it to white. This is the H1. Now for the H2, it's core service and location targeting. This is the H2. AC installation and replacement in NYC. This targets this keyword AC installation NYC. So here you can either select a current heading and rename it, or create a dedicated section for this. So I will add this title. So I will paste my suggested H2 like this. Place it here, select all text and switch to a heading 2. Okay, now I will repeat the same thing for the second H2. Reliable HVAC service in NYC. Here, instead of adding a section manually, I will generate it using AI. Okay, so first I will click on add section, and here instead of adding a blank section, I will go with generate section. Generate or create a section for HVAC. Okay, click on create section and wait a moment. As you see, this is my section. And as you see, the title was only HVAC service. And so I will paste my suggested reliable HVAC service in NYC, select all text and switch it to heading 2. Trusted HVAC solutions, keeping NYC home comfortable year round. Okay, I will repeat the same thing. Okay, now I will jump to the H3s under AC installation and replacement in NYC. H3 for home in businesses, long tail, what to avoid. Okay, let's create, or here I will go with, I will use those H3 here on those. So make sure that it is an H3 like this. Same thing for the second H3. Select, paste, select H3, paste it here, and I think you got the idea. Now let's update my website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to services, and those are the new headings. And this is the section created using AI. Now let's copy this page URL, go back to our tool. I will open in a new page, paste the page URL and hit perform check. And as you see, great, the H1, H2, and 3 HTML headings are found on this page. And this says how to SEO optimize a page using heading tags in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.